Okusabira omubiri gwa Apollo Nyegamehe oba Aponye kubaddeyo mu Eklezia e Rubaga ng'era ekitambiro kya Misa mwasabiddwa kitandise ku ssaawa nga 3.
We are now going to place insignias onto the casket of Apollo.
Ekitambiro kya Misa kino kikulembeddwa Reverend Father Sylvester Aliniitwe ng'ayambibwako abasaasereddeyo abalala ng'ono mu kuyigiriza kwe ayogedde ku ddibwa eddene ennyo erirekeddwawo Nyagamehe era ng'amwogeddeko ng'omuntu w'abantu ajjudde okwagala ate omugabi.
Our presence here is a big testimony to what Apollo Nyegamehe has been. He has gone, yes. But has he died? In our eyes, yes, he has died. But in the eyes of God, he's there. And he's with us. Mr. Nyegamehe, we shall consider him dead if what he has worked for and he has done will collapse. They will say, Nyegamehe is dead. But as long as you keep what he started going on, you keep the family going on, you keep his businesses going on, Mr. Nyegamehe is with us.
Father Aliniitwe asabye abantu ba Katonda okulabira ku mugenzi bafuuke ekitangaala eri abalala bakyuse obulamu bw'abantu abalala.
As long as they live, they do what I have asked them to do, and when they die, they too will not be dead, but they will be alive in our Lord Jesus Christ. And so that's why I'm saying that Mr. Nyegamehe will be considered dead if what he has stood for in life, what he has believed in life, is finished. But as long as it remains, the family is there, remains, you carry on the name of Nyegamehe, you carry on his business, you carry on his love for the people, for humanity, you carry on his kindness.
Ye namwandu Vengerista Nyagamehe yeebazizza Katonda obulamu bwa bba omugenzi gwayogeddeko ng'abadde omusajja ow'enjawulo naddala mu kulabirira abaana baabwe era ng'ategeezezza nga Katonda bw'atamusobozesezza kutuuka ku kijaguzo kyabwe eky'emyaka 50 kyabadde yeesunga ennyo.
Kandi Ruhanga kuyatiira omuntu omu nsi yamuha obunaku bwe n'okwalifa egyo n'enaama ya Ruhanga ng'eno okwe niko yaabiramuteerera pulaani. Itwe kyaitu n'okumushabira akabumuragi. Kwabire naataaha okuza kutunga egyo accident nyowe kwabaganija kuno ari kuruga Kabaale nituteera emirundi ena turi kugamba wahikahe ati nahika mwahikahe ati nahika obundi angira ati ndi kutaaha omu geeti ati reka mbaze ntahemu ataza basi tubone kugamba hamwe.
Ono asabye banywanyi b'omugenzi bwe babadde baddukanya emirimu obutababulira basigale mu bizinensi balabe nga zongera okutambula.
Yakalira ngeno nkakaba nkahirima nkoko okureba wali batenjoko mu nkuuto nkaba nisho omunyongoro rw'omunju kama nikwe yakunzire gukora asyo akatwara munywani wanje kandi munywani wa bingi kandi munywani wa bono. Omushija wanje hariho ebirungi byankoreire ebintakayebwa akantwara Isiraeli emirundi 2 omukintu ekinabiri ninkunda munonga ngumanyaho Mukama wetu Yesu Kristo yazarirwe akakorera eby'amahano kandi akafiirayo akazuuka kunahikireyo mu birungi byankorire namufukamu umushiru namusiima ndi hate dini yindi kushoma nimanya obukomoko bwayo.
Ye omumyuka wa sipiika Thomas Taebwa mu bubaka bwe yeebazizza abantu ba Katonda abadduukiridde mu mbeera eno ey'akazigizigi n'ayogera ku mugenzi ng'eyayamba ennyo mu kulambika engeri y'okunoonya ssente ssaako n'amakulu gaazo.
Chapter 4 verses 7 to 8. I have fought a good fight. I have finished the race. I have kept the faith. General Caleb Akandwanaho Sarim Sare, retired Chief Coordinator Operation Wealth Creation and Senior Presidential Advisor on Defense, enclosed 10 million shillings to help in burial arrangements.
Omumyuka wa sipiika asabye abasuubuzi okukolera awamu ne gavumenti kubanga neetegefu okukolagana nabo okusobola okutambuza n'okutwala mu maaso eggwanga.
Was okutatwala obunywani okubukwata ejaga. He valued friendship. I cannot see any other day Apollo without George William Kanagis, without Chris, without Taban. He was actually a nationalist. He was a nationalist. I have heard Chris here say that they can make and unmake. We hope he will not unmake us. They were very strong pillar, very friendly all the time. Even when he was going for, you could hear the wife say he was going to represent his friend.
Omumyuka wa sipiika nate alagidde minisitule y'ebyentambula okukola ebikwekweto ku nguudo okulaba nti obubenje bukendera naddala emmotoka ezo eziwagamira. Ye Dr. Ruhakana Rugunda ono nga yasomye obubaka bwa President yennyamidde olw'okuvibwa kw'omusajja ono gw'agambye nti abadde wankizo nnyo mu kutambuza ebyenfuna by'eggwanga.
On the day Aponye passed on, he sent a message and has also sent another message which is going to be read in Ruchiga. But let me just tell you the message that the President sent out on hearing the news of Aponye's death. While here he was in the countryside, I got the sad news of the death of Aponye, our big supporter and active economic actor. Condolences to his family and Ugandans in general. May his soul rest in eternal peace. Signed, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, President. Message written at Bulera Hill, near Kisozi, and Madu Gomba. So that was the message that His Excellency the President sent.
Yeebazizza omugenzi Aponye olw'akaweefube gwe yakola okutaasa bannayuganda naddala mu muggalo mwe yakkiririza n'awaayo era n'agabula bannayuganda emmere.
The other point that I want to stress is that Aponye built relations. In this empowering of people, he was building relations. And building relations across many communities, many nationalities, and many countries. Among the friends of Aponye, you'll find every race, you'll find every ethnic group, and in fact, in that building of relationship, Aponye was able to authorize
wakuzikibwa mu district y'e Rukiga wiiki eno.